In this episode, we've experienced that a mere hiccup from a volcano can have life and death consequences. We've witnessed that unseasonal adventures at altitude aren't as easy as riding a bike. And we've learned that rainstorms can wreck your ride home in seconds. And next time, there will be more. Because deadly weather stops for no one.
And now it's time for the latest winter storm update. Here's how the storm is progressing and what to expect in your area. Stay tuned to the Weather Channel for the most up-to-date information.